welcome to 2021. And today I'll be doing just appreciation. First of all, my greatest thanks goes to God. Thank God for the gift of life. I'm saying thank you very much to my loyal subscribers that have been with me in the year 2020. People like Joyce of Joy Style of Cooking, people like Carol Joseph of Carol Joseph Blog, Shadow Princess of Shadow Princess Knowledge. Thank you guys. You guys have been wonderful. You have been commenting on my videos and have been checking me out. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. And to my other subscribers that I didn't mention their names, thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys too. You did well in 2020. We had our first 500 views following my channel. I just want to appreciate you guys. You guys did an awesome job for checking out my videos. I hope they have been helping people all around the world. And today is 2021. I have high expectations and goals. One of it that I don't want to say, I have a goal of hitting 500,000 views before the end of this 2021. So I need you guys comment on it, like and subscribe, and that will help our channel to go a long way. And at the end of 2021, I hope to see you guys so that I can appreciate you once again, and possibly we'll do some giveaway. And last but not the least, I'll be appreciating one person that made my first day very remarkable, which is Medo Unboxing. It actually did a giveaway last year on the 25th, I think. I just entered into the giveaway, and on the first I got on my Twitter page that I won something, and I was just kind of shocked. Initially, I was even thinking, I think I'm still in the dream. Let me go back to sleep. Let me go back to bed. I think we're still in 2020. And let me go and sleep. I set my pillow very well. Later on, I got a message from him telling me that I've just won, and I got some congratulations messages. Thank you very much, Medo Unboxing. I really appreciate for the DIVOOM TIMEBOX that I won. I hope I too will be able to give out to people that have been here with me also. So that'll be all for this episode, for this video. Let's make 2021 a awesome year also. God bless you. So I'll see you on the next one. I remember Batunde Motaro here on Bracket Reviews.